Hello, my beloved brothers and sisters. At this moment, let us look briefly at Titus chapter 3, verse 3. It says, "For in time past we too were foolish, disobedient, deceived, serving various desire and pleasure, living in malice and envy, being hated in one another." In Titus chapter 3, verse 3, a powerful reminder of who we were once were before the grace of God stepped into our lives. This verse tells us that we ourselves were once foolish, disobedient, deceived, and enslaved by various passion and pleasure. This is not talking about other people. This is talking of all us before Christ. This verse is like a mirror. It shows our past condition. Foolish, we live without spiritual understanding, ignoring God's truth. Disobedience, we resisted God's authority and followed our own way. Deceived, sin blinded us. Though we were right, but we were lost. Enslaved, we were not free. We were controlled by sinful desires. Living in malice and envy, our heart filled a bitterness and compassion. Hateful and hating one another, means broken relationship were the result of our broken heart. This is who we were, not who we are now in Christ. This verse prepare us for the beauty of in God's mercy. You cannot fully appreciate God's grace until you understand the deep of your past condition. In short, remind us that without Christ, we were lost, broken, bound by sin. But it also humbled us so we never look down on others because we remember where God brought us from. Never forget your past condition so you will always magnify God's present grace.